Like, do you know, using the right hashtags and keywords, this is the backbone of your videos here on YouTube. It helps your videos to appear on search engines. It makes YouTube to highly recommend your videos to more users, people that are searching on what you are doing, people that are interested in your niche. It helps YouTube to push out your videos to wider audience for them to be able to discover your channels. I prefer my videos to be on the search engines than to have subscribers. Why did I say that? Because once your video is being recommended by YouTube, people will click on it. Let us say your video has an impression of 5,000 people, and out of that 5,000 people, 3,000 people watched your video. When 3,000 people watch your videos, you are not only getting the views, you're also getting watch hour, and you also get subscription. So that is the way YouTube will push your videos, and on your own you have the growth you have been looking for. So the importance of using the right keywords and hashtags in your videos matters a lot. That is what will help your channel grow, and that is what will make your videos go viral here on YouTube. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can set your channel to be on the niche it should be. That is, an audience that is interested on the type of content you are creating. Once the person click on the search bar, your channel will YouTube will recommend your channel to their user. Then this is the basic settings you have to set on your channels. So I will be showing you via screen record for you to see how you can set your videos, your channel rather, to appear on search engines, to be fully optimized. That is the SEO, search engine optimization, for it to appear once someone search your videos here on YouTube. So now I'll be showing you with a screenshot.
So now I will have to go to ChatGTP. Let me go to ChatGTP. Let me just start a fresh one here. So I will write to ChatGTP, give me the keywords of a YouTube niche, that is based on YouTube growth and tutorial. So now ChatGTP, we have to bring the keywords. You see, you can see how he optimized the keywords. So this is the part. This is for YouTube growth and strategy, YouTube YouTube growth, how to grow on YouTube, YouTube tips, YouTube algorithm, YouTube strategy. These are keywords. If you are on the niche of tutorial, that is this I'm doing now, monetization and earnings, these are the keywords. Video production and editing, YouTube editing, best editing software for YouTube, how to make so all these things, you can either copy it or you can. So what I will do, I will see, let me just copy one. Then let's go to your YouTube studio where you can insert all these keywords. Now let's go. Then before you can edit this channel like this, you have to switch on your browser to desktop mode. That is, if you go to your browser, whatever browser you are using, then you switch the browser to desktop mode or desktop site. So I've already done mine before going into this tutorial. So now pay attention in what I'm about to show you now. So this is it. So it has to open. Now this is the channel I want to insert these keywords to. So now this is what I will do. They say I should verify. Maybe I have to verify this then before I continue the tutorial. All right, I'm done with the verification. So now you have to go to your settings. Your settings is here at the bottom left of your screen. You can see it here. You click on settings. Then once it opens, then you go to your channel. As you can see here, you go to your channel, then you click on channel. Once you click on channel, I've already inserted some words, but I will start all over again based on because of this tutorial. Then I have to insert keywords here. Remember, I have copied one, so I have to put in the keywords. This one is YouTube growth. Then you can go on and on. I don't know if you're getting what I'm doing here. This is how to grow on YouTube. You copy, come back, or you can even write it down. I don't know. You can even write it down. See, it's not all these keywords you will copy. You have to copy the most important ones. Get how to get more views. Then you copy, because this channel I'm setting up is based on tutorial. So now I have to, okay, I've copied like 3 from here. Then let me try here, YouTube SEO. Then I will copy, I will paste it here. As you can see, YouTube titles and tags, that's also important. That's very important. That's an important keyword. Then I will go to YouTube engagement. That's also important. That's very important. So this channel is all about growth. Anything you can do to grow your YouTube channel and all that. So now this is how to make money on YouTube. Very important. Who no like money? Very important. So this is it. As you can see, I'm adding it, be the most important keywords here. I'm selecting them then to fully optimize it in this keywords box provided by YouTube. Then how to make videos better, I will make videos on that. Even audios, I also make videos on that. So this is it. This is it. Then YouTube camera setup, YouTube lighting setup. This doesn't make sense to me for now. YouTube affiliate marketing, YouTube passive income, YouTube monetization tip. I think I've copied that. YouTube thumbnail, I've copied the YouTube engagement. YouTube algorithm, very important. Have I copied YouTube algorithm? No. I don't think you can copy two keywords here. I don't think they will allow you to copy 2 keywords here. How to get more subscription, very important for small YouTubers. So this is it. The provision is for like 500 words. We are still at 267, so we got to add up more for it. YouTube keywords, that's okay. YouTube ranking, I'm going to copy the other one. So this is, pay attention, this is how you can fully optimize your channel for it to be appear on the niche you are in. This is a YouTube strategy. I have to copy this one. It's also important. So I have copied. I think this is it for now. Then you have to choose the country you are in, the country you reside in. So as it stands now, I'm I'm not in Cyprus. So I'm in Nigeria. Don't know why. Okay. I'm in Nigeria, so I have to choose Nigeria. So depends on the country you are in. You have to choose where is Nigeria. Okay, I've seen Nigeria. So this is it. So now you move over to the next advanced setting. This is where your this part is optional. You get, you have your audience, whether your video is meant for kids or not meant for kids. This is where you can set it. Then automatic caption. This is once your video is playing, YouTube can put in captions for your video. If you want that, you can just add it up. So this is where third party can is if you select this option, YouTube may share your videos with third-party company provided that you and all other application rights holder. This is for someone to be able to put your videos and all that. So here, this is the advanced features. I will make a video on this one later. This is how you can verify your ID, verify your number and all those ones. So for now, this is how you can add the keywords to your channel for it to be on the niche you are in. So after everything, you press save, because if you don't press save, you did what? Nothing. So as you can see, this video as I'm streaming is still a new channel. So I'm growing the channel with the videos I'm making here. So as you can see, I still have one subscribers over the last past 28 days. So with all these I've taught you, I know that you can now set your channel. So go and set your channel so that you will see the magic. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks.